If you have an Amazon online seller or merchant, you will agree that placing image of the product you are selling on your product listing is essential. You know that. But do you know how to attract people turning stranger into visitors? Yes, it's your product video. Product video make a stranger turn into a visitor. Hello, I'm Disha from Ecomclips. Today we'll talk about the benefit of a product listing video for growing your Amazon market strategy. Sometimes look at the image is not enough for customer to make a buying decision. Image can only contain a limited amount of information. Video advertising help address this dilemma. Adding a video to your product listing can provide more helpful information about your product than multiple images can. A recent survey report says that 86% of business experience more site visit when they use video advertising to promote their products. The same survey also shows that 84% of customers said they bought a product after watching a video advertisement about it. A video would also let customers discover the feature and benefits of your product more quickly. Look at the difference between 2018 to 2022. You can produce an engaging video by combining eye-catching visuals with interesting sound element and a presenter who can effectively convey the message you want to deliver. This can help you make a strong emotional impact on your audience, convincing them to choose your product over what your competitor offers. Now, I will show you the result and power of video marketing. Check this general or normal listing. The listing is so poor and normal. We can see here this listing hasn't any informative image and video. So they did not enrich their product to the customer and review rating get down. Now check this informative listing with enriched image and videos. Here look at the difference. The listing has better quality informative listing image and they use video in their listings. A video can reach people faster than a picture. A video has many elements and here defines the product much better than a picture. 69% of customers mostly like watching video when purchasing product online. 84% of customers already gave their statements. They believe when they watch the product video, they're more likely to buy the item. Product video enhance the consumer's belief. Make your product video, spread your wings out and fly into the world of Amazon and become a successful seller on Amazon. Hope this video helps you to understand the benefit of a video on your product listing. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get the notifications for our next video. You can also mail us info@ecomclips.com and also check out our website www.ecomclips.com. We, Ecomclips, have the best experienced designer with knowledge of Amazon listing image, listing videos, and we are ready to help you with our experience. If you want anything to know about, contact us. Our team will provide you the best solution of all time. Thanks for watching.